Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, I bring you the 2007 Mazda Miata. This car is a ton of fun, and this one is by far one of the cleanest examples I've ever seen. There's not a speck of rust on this car, and it only has a little over 17,000 miles. This one is currently for sale at Warner Mazda in Manchester, New Hampshire. If I'm not mistaken, it has 163 horsepower from the 2.0 liter inline 4 and around 146 pound-feet of torque. Very aggressive fender flares here. Yeah, you know this is a very clean example. No condensation in the headlights at all. No paint chips, no scuffs or anything. It's absolutely amazing example. Let's go ahead and get inside here. Alright, so once you're inside, it's a very comfortable place to be. Believe it or not, this is actually very roomy because you're kind of leaned down and in kind of thing. Kind of like the Tesla Roadster. Here's your key. You push this button up on top. Reveals the key, put it in the ignition here, starts right up. This is the 6-speed gearbox. You have first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You push down, over for reverse. Let's go ahead and take a drive. One thing I've found is the gearbox is very notchy, and you know exactly where you're going. The clutch is very light, has a decent throw to it, not too long, not too short. Oh, not this again. You know what? Here's what I'll do. Avoid some of the traffic. It gets pretty hectic leaving there. Your window controls are down here. Both windows are automatic. I'll find my way out of here. I may or may not be lost. Aha! I'm good. I know where I'm going now. Alright, so I know I'm never gonna go that way again. But I got one comment hating on the Mazda 6 video that I had to wait in traffic. So... for such a small car, visibility actually isn't a concern. And it feels wide. You know, you have the transmission stock here, tunnel, that's it. So it's roomy, you're spaced out from your passenger. So, a family member of mine used to own one of these. He had a 2004, I believe. No, it was 2006. That's what it was. Now, he had that car for, I don't know, he just got rid of it last year. So he had it for a long time, put 200,000 miles on it, and nothing went wrong for him. Car was very reliable. Only thing he changed was the oil, tires, your basic maintenance stuff, but nothing mechanical went wrong with that car. As you can tell, rev match downshifting is a breeze in this thing. Okay, yeah, this is cool. This is very cool. This is a fun little car. Oh, this is awesome. I love this thing. This is great. Okay, that was actual heel toe, and that was pedals are spaced perfectly for that. Even in the rain, there's a lot of grip, really good turn in. But yeah, very cool car, very fun to drive. I love any Miata that I've driven. There hasn't been a bad Miata I've driven. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, leave a like, comment, and any recommendations on cars to review. Thank you very much, guys. Actually, you know what? Let's do one little pull, and then we'll call the video. Because then I have to go get gas. So there you go, guys. Have a great day.